Hi, this is Gilly, radio prepper. You know, the best radio I ever had was an Elecraft K1. I built it from a kit, and it was the first radio that I had as a ham radio operator. I had my first QSO with it from Florida to France, though. Pretty nice. I even had other Elecraft radios. I built a K2, I had a KX3, KX2, but really the K1 is the one that I have somewhat of an emotional attachment to it. Unfortunately, I sold it, but later I bought a second one, and unfortunately again, that radio was aboard my sailboat when I lost the boat in the Bahamas. Long story, we won't get into that, but I no longer have an Elecraft K1. And I think about it quite often, and I really would like to find one. So I'm asking for you guys' help in locating maybe one for me. Maybe you have one, you haven't used it for a long time, you would be willing to sell it, or maybe you know someone who might have one for sale. Please let me know if you do, because I really miss it. And I would like to find one. Ideally, it would have the tuner. I don't care if it's a 4-band or 2-band. Ultimately, I would run a 2-band module with 20 and 80 meters, but I can always take care of that later. So please help me out. Maybe we can find one. Thanks. Have a good one.